Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch, and on this video, we have the results here for our step count test. Okay, the pedometer. We tried the outdoor walking, and we have some details about the activities. So if you are interested to see if the pedometer is accurate or not, watch this video, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start, and let me show you the results for our 500 step count. Okay, with our Oraimo Watch 6, we picked the outdoor walking of this smartwatch. We do have the outdoor walking sports functions. So before I will show you the results, here are the metrics for the outdoor walking. We have calories, the duration, the steps, real-time pace, the average, the speed, the cadence. Okay, very good so far for our sports tracking, outdoor walking. And for the results, we have it here. So this is our first one. As you can see, we have the start time, we have the end time, the duration, 4 minutes and 39 seconds. We have 0.36 kilometers for the distance. And the calories burned, we have 23. Out of 500 step count, we have 496. So very close to the results. We also have here the pace, the fastest pace, the slowest. So there's a lot of metrics for our activity here for the Oraimo Watch 6. This is so far very good, and one of the few smartwatches in this price range with a lot of metrics for its sports functions. We have the speed here, cadence, the steps per minute, and we have here the average heart rate. We have 99 beats per minute with maximum of 118. Do we have a minimum? Yes, we also have it here, 72 beats per minute. Again, out of 500 steps on our first test or trial, we have 496. For our second one, still 500 steps. We have here the start time and the end time. The duration is 4 minutes and 38, almost the same with our first test. So the same distance, 0.36 kilometers. The calories, the same, 22 calories. And for the steps, very accurate also. We have 498. Okay, you see the results here. We have 498. The first one is 496. This one, 498. We have here the average pace, the distance, and our heart rate. As the smartwatch is somewhat loose when we've done our activity, it only able to track the heart rate 64 beats per minute. But the steps here is very accurate. I think it is because we did not wear it properly for our heart rate here. It's almost loose when I check the smartwatch on my wrist. But as you can see, still the steps is very close. Almost 500 for our Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch. 498 out of 500 steps. Okay, and for the support app, it is using the Oraimo Health. So here's the record. We have here the outdoor walking. Okay, we have 498 steps. We do have a lot of details here. We have the graph for the heart range, which is very good. And as you can see, our category of exercise is just warm up. We also have here the stride frequency and the pace. Okay, so this is very good so far. And you have an option here to share your activity, or you can share it with other social media apps. Okay, the only thing, okay, that I'm confused here, and you may say I'm wondering why the app did not record our first activity. We only have one here. You can see our outdoor walking, only one. But so far, when it comes to metrics, I'm impressed with our Oraimo Watch 6. We do have a lot of data here for our outdoor walking. I just can see the first activity, our first activity did not appear here. Okay, we have it here. So this one, okay, is the first one. Let me see. Okay, did not explore. So we have here, let's see, 496 steps. We have it here. Okay, so I'm mistaken. We have the data here. Just tap on this one. It's all sports. So it total all the duration here, 9 minutes. We have the calories, and we have the daily best. So we have the data here. The second test, the first one. Very good so far for our Oraimo Watch 6. We all have the data here. Okay, so I thought at first that it's only one, and the app did not synchronize the first one. It's here, it's all here, and we have here the total duration. So far, very good with our Oraimo Watch 6, one of the best smartwatch with an affordable price for tracking your activity, with a lot of data here or metrics for your sports activity. I'm just not sure if we can synchronize it with the Strava application. I'm still exploring this smartwatch. Okay, anyway, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.